Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the latest tech and gadgets so you know exactly what you're getting. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay screen for your car from HAUXIY, model Q9S. This device is more than just a car stereo. It's a full-featured in-car smart system that combines Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, a 4K dash cam, and even a 1080p backup camera all in one package. The Q9S connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If you have an iPhone, you'll be able to access Apple CarPlay, and Android users can enjoy Android Auto. This means that maps, calls, emails, notifications, music, and more are just a tap away. Unlike traditional in-dash systems, this portable device plugs directly into your car's cigarette lighter socket, making it easy to install without removing your existing dashboard setup. One of the standout features is its real-time GPS navigation. When connected to your phone, you get precise positioning and zero-delay routing. It supports popular navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze. Even better, it comes equipped with voice control, allowing you to handle calls, navigate, send messages, and control your music hands-free using Siri or Google Assistant. This makes driving safer and keeps you focused on the road. Safety is also a priority with the Q9S. The dash cam records in 4K, capturing every detail of your driving experience. The system includes a parking monitoring function that activates a 15-second video recording whenever vibration is detected while parked. If a collision occurs, the device automatically locks the incident footage, ensuring that critical moments aren't overwritten. The rearview camera offers 1080p resolution and night vision capability, making reversing safer in low-light conditions. With a 7-meter cable included, installation is straightforward for most vehicle types, including sedans, trucks, and vans. The Q9S isn't just about cameras and navigation. It also supports phone mirroring for both iOS and Android, letting you display your phone screen directly on the 9-inch display. Audio playback is versatile, with 4 outputs including Bluetooth audio, built-in speakers, FM radio, and an AUX port. This ensures clear, stable sound even in noisy environments. You can also connect your phone to your car's built-in system via Bluetooth for optimized audio performance. Inside the box, you get everything needed to get started: a 700 cm back camera, 2 monitor bases, a 120 cm aux cable, a 350 cm power cord, and a 64 GB TF card for storage. The compact size of the monitor, just 0.8 by 8.8 by 5.4 inches, and lightweight design makes it easy to fit into almost any vehicle setup. Despite its portability, it retains the full functionality of your car's original radio system, keeping the transition seamless. In conclusion, the HAUXIY 9-inch wireless CarPlay screen offers an impressive blend of technology, safety, and convenience. Whether you're looking for hands-free navigation, enhanced audio, or high-quality video recording for your daily commute, this system combines multiple features in one portable package. It's easy to install, compatible with most vehicles, and brings modern smart car capabilities to almost any car dashboard. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tech breakdown from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.